We'll guide you through how to slow down a video on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you want to go and slow down a video. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure you don't skip anything, as we're covering different ways you can do this, depending upon the outcome you want. So it's really important you watch this whole thing. So perhaps you want to go and slow it down as something happened really quickly and you want to go and have it slower, or you want to go and put more emphasis on something, or it just looks cool. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. Now, if you haven't already recorded this, we can actually go and record it in slow-mo. If you have already, don't worry. But if you're yet to, you can go and open up the camera app like so. Come to the bottom and you can go and select video. And with video selected, drag over. And you want to go and make sure slow-mo is selected like so. Then what you can do is go and press record, and we're now recording in slow-mo. So you can go and record what you want. When you're finished, press stop, and you can then play it back and see it. You can go and edit and adjust it by pressing the adjust button over to the right. Then you can go and see these lines here, and you can tap, hold, and drag them. And you can go and choose which part you want to be in slow-mo. The area where the lines are far apart is where it's going to be slow-mo. So you can then press done like so, and it'll go and be saved. Of course, if you previously gone and recorded a slow-mo video, you can adjust that there as well. Now, if you're in this situation where you already have a video recorded you want to make slow, then what you can do is go and open up the photos. You can go and find it. So I've got this here. It's me pouring some water. So what you can do is, because this was recorded in a high frame rate, 60, we can come to the bottom and go and press on the adjust lines. Then you can go to the top right and you'll go and see this clock icon. This won't be the case for all devices, I'm aware of that, but you can go and tap on it and you can then go and I can reduce it by 50% and it's going to be 30 FPS. Then what I can do is go and adjust it with these lines at the bottom, tap, hold and drag as you can see, and you can adjust the part where you want to be slow-mo by tapping, holding and dragging. You can then go and play it back. And then if you're happy with it, you can go to the top right and you can go and press done and it'll go and be changed. Alternatively though, if I just go and adjust it again, I'll just go and set it back to how it was, as this won't be the case for all devices and you can't make it that slow as well. So I've now changed it back to how it was. You can only do it by half. But if you want to go and have more options when slowing it down, open the App Store. You can then tap on the search bar and you want to go and type in CapCut like so. This is an editing tool we can get. So I've already got it, so it says open, but you can get it and then open it up. Then you can go and press new video and select the video you want to do it with. Now what you can do is go and find the part you want to make slow. So you can go and tap on it, split, then choose you want to stop making it slow and press split. Then select the part you want to make slow. You can scroll along and find speed, press normal, and you can then go and decrease it like so to your liking. Press the tick, you can then go and play it back and see it. If you're then happy with it, you can press export in the top right and it'll be saved to your gallery. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.